Let's give it a shot. It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Welcome back. Day 10 of Vlogmas. So glad you guys are here. Let's just get straight into the video. But before we do, just make sure to smash the like button. Today, we are doing a custom tapestry hoodie, but we're gonna do it a little bit different. So I have this Naruto custom made tapestry blanket, and then I also have a black Nike hoodie, and we are just gonna add the tapestry onto the hoodie. I'm not exactly sure what this process is technically called, but all I know is that's what we're gonna do. Let's get it. Of course, cheers. All right, y'all, so I laid out the sweatshirt, and I think this is the layout that I'm gonna go for. Kind of just cut out the fabric and then laid it on. So all I'm gonna do is turn the hoodie inside out, and we're gonna sew everything on. Fingers crossed it comes out good. I know it's gonna come out good. And then I want to add some stuff to the sleeves as well. Like, I'm not just gonna do these two pieces. I just want to see what these pieces look like before I overload the whole sweater. Yeah, I got it all pinned down. Now we're just gonna go in and sew everything down. All right, y'all, this is what it's looking like so far. You can see where I did the stitches. All I'm gonna do is press it down and we're gonna cut it out. Yeah, so this is what one side of the hoodie is looking like. Now all I need to do is go in and cut out the other side. And y'all, this is what it's looking like so far. What I'm gonna do now is go in and fix these little tabs to the pockets. Just because I had the tapestry go under the pocket, I need to go ahead and just do a straight stitch on both sides just to lay that back down. All right, yeah, so I think I'm gonna add this graphic to the back of the hoodie. All right, y'all, and just like that, we have the final hoodie. I'm gonna give you guys some close-ups here. But this is the back. We also added one on the sleeve, and then we also have front. I did end up adding, obviously, my C-Mutt custom tag. I think it came out super cool. If you guys are interested in buying, please hit me up on my DMs, either on Instagram or TikTok. That's at cmac.31. If you guys liked, make sure you guys smash that like button, comment down below what you guys would like to see. As always, stay positive, and I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.